Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues Journal Club. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan, and today I will be talking about an original article which is titled Faculty Perceptions of the Efficacy, Benefits and Challenges of Simulation-Based Early Clinical Exposure for Medical Students in India, Qualitative Study. Now, this research has been published in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology, published by Scientific Scholar. We all are aware that nowadays medical education in India has shifted to a learner-centric approach with early clinical exposure mandated for first-year medical students. Now, implementing early clinical exposure in a clinical setting is challenging, leading to the adoption of simulation-based early clinical exposure. However, faculty perceptions of integrating simulation with early clinical exposure, especially for the first-year undergraduates, remains understudied. Hence, this study was aimed to explore faculty perceptions of the feasibility, advantages and challenges of using simulations in early clinical exposure. The authors conducted a qualitative study with interventional sampling where they interviewed 12 faculty members at a medical teaching institution using a topic guide. Thematic analysis was then performed on the data collected from the 12 interviews to identify the key themes and patterns. The results showed that most of the faculty interviewed considered the use of simulation in early clinical exposure as an excellent adjunct to teaching in a clinical setting. However, the faculty also noted a few challenges such as fidelity, time constraints, as well as the ratio of students to faculty members in implementing the simulation-based early clinical exposure. Therefore, it was concluded that faculty members recognized the integration of stimulation into early clinical exposure as a highly effective tool for enhancing the learning of basic sciences and fostering attitudes, ethics and professionalism in medical education, with the main challenge being the logistic demand for implementing simulation-based sessions. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.